The iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the most exciting phones Apple has ever made. With a series of leaks and rumors now circulating online, it looks like Apple is preparing a major leap forward in design, performance, and innovation. From a redesigned dynamic island to a groundbreaking 200-megapixel camera, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could redefine what we expect from a smartphone. Let's break down the 8 biggest leaks that are getting everyone talking and what they could mean for users. First, let's talk about the dynamic island. This feature, first introduced with the iPhone 14 Pro, could be getting its biggest change yet. According to reports, the dynamic island on the iPhone 18 Pro Max will be smaller, smarter, and more efficient. Apple might finally be refining it to reduce distractions while gaming or watching videos. Even better, upgraded Face ID sensors could be built right into the smaller design, improving security without taking up extra screen space. The result would be a more immersive display, smarter notifications, and a cleaner overall look. Next, there's the design innovation that everyone's curious about, a transparent MagSafe section. This would allow users to see some of the internal components, like the charging coils and magnets, through a small transparent window. It's a bold move that gives the phone a futuristic look while keeping Apple's signature sleek finish. Alongside this, we're also expecting improved scratch resistance, which means the device will stay looking fresh and premium after months of use. Apple seems to be focusing on combining style with durability, something users have been asking for. Now, under the hood, the iPhone 18 Pro Max might be getting the all-new A20 chip, built on an advanced 2nm process. This could be the most powerful and efficient chip ever in a smartphone. Expect faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and longer battery life. To handle all that power, Apple may also include a vapor chamber cooling system, something usually seen in gaming phones. That means you'll get top-tier performance without overheating, even when editing 4K videos or playing demanding games. Connectivity is another area where Apple is expected to make big strides. The iPhone 18 Pro Max may feature the C2X modem, which could deliver even faster and more reliable 5 speeds. On top of that, an end-to-end network chip could improve Wi-Fi connectivity, offering stronger and more stable signals. But the biggest upgrade might be in satellite connectivity. With this feature, users could stay online even in remote areas without regular mobile coverage, a huge advantage for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about the cameras, because this is where things get really exciting. Apple is reportedly collaborating with Samsung to develop a 200-megapixel camera sensor for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. That's a huge jump from the 48MP sensor on the iPhone 15 Pro models. Alongside that, a variable aperture system could let users adjust light exposure manually, making photos look stunning in any lighting condition. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or low light, this setup could deliver professional-grade photography and videography. There's also a rumor about a redesigned capture button. This new button might integrate directly with the variable aperture system, allowing for more precise control when taking photos or recording videos. It could make the shooting experience faster and more natural, almost like using a professional camera shutter. All these features come together to make the iPhone 18 Pro Max not just powerful, but user-friendly and future-focused. You get the performance of a computer, the connectivity of a satellite device, and the camera of a professional rig, all in one sleek phone. To sum it all up, here are the key rumored features at a glance: a smaller and smarter dynamic island for better usability, a transparent MagSafe section that shows off internal components, enhanced scratch resistance for improved durability, a next-generation 2nm A20 chip for unmatched performance and battery efficiency, improved 5G and Wi-Fi speeds thanks to new connectivity chips, possible satellite internet access for remote locations, a 200MP camera sensor with variable aperture for pro-level photos, a redesigned capture button for smoother and faster shooting. If these leaks are true, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could mark a major turning point for Apple, blending futuristic design with powerful hardware and intelligent software. As we move closer to its rumored launch in late 2026, One big question remains. Will this be the model that finally kills the dynamic island as we know it? Or will Apple simply reinvent it into something even smarter and more integrated? Whatever the answer, one thing's clear. The iPhone 18 Pro Max could be the most advanced and refined iPhone we've ever seen, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do.